Now we on the right track. Yeah. Now we on the right track. Yeah. Now we on the right track. Yeah. Now we on the right track.
Out of sight, so I think just follow it round.
I would assume it goes around this crest here.
Yeah.
Assume.
See what it looks like on the other side.
Yeah, I think it has to go around there. Which peak do you think it is? The one with like the clouds are on?
Fucking hope so. That's the one I want to get to.
Let's go, Patrick! Woo! De puta madre! Check out the view! Sign, guys. We're filming the sign. We're filming the sign. Patrick. 4,161.